Hey everybody, this is Rolanda, and I help those in the transportation industry scale their business to 6 or 7 figures with tax and business strategies. I also help those who want to start working in the accounting industry start, stick, and soar your business. So I want to look at 3 tax planning strategies that will help truckers. Now, when I say truckers, I'm meaning 1099 truckers, owner, operator, those who work specifically for yourself, not necessarily the W-2 truckers, but those who work specifically as an independent contractor, or you have drivers working under you. The first tax planning strategy I want to share with you is to pay attention to your digital wallets. What do I mean by that? Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, money that you are giving through the digital system, and you're just paying it to people because you're trying to get to your next load. You're trying to make money, but I want you to be aware that you may be throwing away money by not paying attention to your digital wallets. If you are not getting the name, social security number, and identification information to the people that you're helping to pick up loads, unload, just helping you do your business, then you may be doing yourself a disservice. We want to be able to write those people off at the end of the year. But if you're not watching out for your digital wallets and paying people without paying attention to how much you're paying people, then you're not helping yourself. Tax planning strategy number 2. Record. Listen, I understand that in your business, it's about getting that load in on time, making sure that you're there to pick up the next load, and then making some money in between. I get it. And in these cases and in these days, I understand with gas, it's more important for you to make your money. But if you don't pay attention to your records, it's just like money flying out the window of your truck. And you wouldn't let that happen. Paying attention to your records helps save you money. And for some of you, I've talked to some of you, and you don't want to spend the money to have someone to keep good records. So you will halfway keep good records. Do you realize you're throwing away money by not having someone who knows the tax industry keep up with your records to make sure that at the end of the year, all you have to do is turn and look and say, where do I sign? Instead of trying to hustle and bustle at the end of the year to look for things. Tax planning tip number 2, again, keep up with your records. And you can't do everything. So pay someone and write them off to keep up with your records. I know some of you, I've talked to some of you, and you let your girl do it. Well, you can't write your girl off, and you're paying her. You let your friend do it. Well, you can't write your friend off. But if you let a licensed professional do it, who knows the tax industry and knows the tax cuts, they'll be able to not only write off your records, but pull more expenses out of you that you didn't think was there. Tax planning tip number 3, business entity. Again, let's look at the professional. Everybody starts off, you start off as a LLC or you start off as a DBA. But did you realize an LLC is still just in the IRS's eyes, an LLC is a disregarded entity. What that means is you're still filing the Schedule C. And it may be time for you to look at your business entity and see, am I getting the tax savings that I need by being a single member LLC? Or is it time for me to change entities? Is it time for me to look at being an S Corp? Is it time for me to be a partnership? Now, I'm not saying it's time for you to do that now, but you'll never know until you talk to a professional, until you invest in yourself. Now, remember, truckers, I know you started this business to make some money, and you don't want to see all of your money go out of the window. If you don't want to see your money go out of the window, pay attention to your digital wallets. Keep good records and get a professional on your team who knows the tax law and the tax industry so that they can let you know how to make wise decisions so that you can keep more of your money, build and expand your business to 6 and 7 figures. Again, my name is Rolanda Watson, and I help those in the transportation industry build and expand their business. If you want to work with me, schedule a 15-minute free consultation so that we can see if we're a good fit. I work with truckers from the 1099, I work under or with someone, to I have 4 or 5 trucks. Either way, I have services that will meet your needs wherever you are. But I'm looking to work with people who are looking to expand their business and understand that they can't do it all and that they want professional help. If you're that person, click the link in my bio so that we can connect and you can grow. Talk to you soon.